Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Murica SD6 and I just wanted to demonstrate putting the battery in while we're doing it. A little different today on the videos. Okay, so this particular one's got a level 6 internal build. It's got the Murica Cobalt Motor, obviously the FPS piston, Prometheus Piston head, Prometheus Cylinder head, Prometheus Bearings, Prometheus Gears, Prometheus Tightbore barrel, Psionic Hop, EagleSix upgrade power spring, and we've emailed all the FPS requirements to the customer. In this particular instance, it's going to America, and we're just going to test this working now, and so you can see it going. I'm even going to put some BBs in this magazine. As you can see there, really nice trigger response. All of the new MP5s obviously come with the MOSFET built in from TM. All have the bolt stop system, so you've got to do that in order to re-engage it. Obviously got the 3-round burst built in. Stick one more through. There you go, so it's a full speed loader through there, and yeah, obviously it's all ready to go out. Like I say, it's going a very long way. Hopefully, like I say, this is you can read through the specification for the video and that everything's right. If it's not, let us know, but hopefully we've met your build requirements, and we didn't get quite as high FPS as what you were hoping for, but we did reach a bit of a cap with regards to this particular model, but like I say, we've emailed over the current FPS, and hopefully that's good for you. Like I say, it's very performant when we're testing at range, so hopefully you enjoy it, and it's you know, you can get this into your hands and you start having fun with it. Excellent, thank you.